Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to close your Lumosity account or to delete it. To delete your account, we have first to open the Lumosity account and it will first pop up the main menu window. But we are interested on the more icon here, so it will give us more options or more menus to access. We have to go to our account settings, so we should go to the bottom where there is a menu called account settings. It will redirect you to your account panel. So we have now to delete our account. To do so, all we have is to click on the red button in the bottom that is showing up. So after clicking on it, a confirmation message will pop up. So here, if you want really to delete your account, all you have is to click OK. But you should know that your personal data and all your progress and states will be deleted. So whenever you are going to re-sign up or to join again your Lumosity, so you will have all your games or all your progress has been deleted. So after knowing that, all you have is either to click on OK or cancel. In my case, I will cancel this operation and I will close this application. So those are the ways or the steps to close your Lumosity account. Thank you for watching and goodbye.